Welcome back, fellow travelers. Today, we have something truly special in store for you. We're heading to the heart of South Africa's Limpopo province to uncover the hidden gems of Polokwane. Get ready to fall head over heels for this breathtaking destination. I'm your host from Travel Vibe, and let's begin our adventure. Polokwane, also known as the place of safety, is a city filled with vibrant culture, rich history, and stunning natural beauty. Our first stop takes us to the local market, where the true spirit of Polokwane comes alive. Take a stroll through the colorful stalls, indulge in fresh produce, and immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere. It's the perfect place to experience the local vibe and sample some delicious traditional cuisine. Polokwane is steeped in history, and our next stop is an architectural gem. Here we are at the Irish House, a beautiful historical building that dates back to the late 19th century. Wander through its corridors and admire the intricate Victorian design. It's a place that transports you to a bygone era, giving you a glimpse into Polokwane's past. Now, let's venture into the great outdoors. Polokwane is blessed with stunning natural landscapes, and one of the best ways to experience them is through hiking. Join me on a trek through the picturesque Majaji Nature Reserve. The trails here lead you through lush greenery, revealing breathtaking views and the chance to encounter the fascinating cycad trees. It's a true oasis of tranquility. Wildlife enthusiasts, listen up. Polokwane is home to the Polokwane Game Reserve, where you can witness the wonders of African wildlife up close. Embark on a thrilling safari and spot magnificent animals like giraffes, zebras, and antelopes roaming freely in their natural habitat. It's a magical experience that will leave you in awe of nature's wonders. To truly understand the essence of Polokwane, we must delve into its cultural heritage. Join me as we visit the Bokone Malapa and Northern Sotho Open Air Museum. Step back in time and immerse yourself in the traditional lifestyle of the Bokone people. Witness their traditional dance, explore the traditional huts, and learn about their customs and traditions. It's an enlightening experience that will broaden your horizons. No trip to Polokwane would be complete without a visit to the majestic Debejani Falls. Located just outside the city, this breathtaking waterfall cascades down the rocks, creating a mesmerizing sight and a serene atmosphere. Take a refreshing dip in the natural rock pools or simply bask in the beauty of this hidden gem. It's a place that will leave you feeling rejuvenated and at peace with nature. And there you have it, fellow travelers. Polokwane has stolen our hearts with its hidden gems and undeniable charm. From the vibrant markets to the historical sites, the stunning natural landscapes to the rich cultural experiences. This destination has it all. So, pack your bags, hit the road, and let Polokwane enchant you with its beauty. This is Travel Vibes signing off until our next adventure. Safe travels.